I want you to breathe me. Let me be your end.
Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is a very exciting one. It is an unboxing. It is my first Hermes purchase, my first Hermes item. I honestly had no idea I was going to buy this item because I had been looking at something else. I just happened to just thought, maybe I should get this instead. Hermes, it's not a brand that I'm obsessed with, but I know ultimately I want to own a Birkin. So I'm here with this unboxing because before I buy anything, I always come here on YouTube and watch unboxing videos to make sure I look at the specs, look at sizing, especially when it comes to shoes, because I always want to know if I should size up half a size or if they went through size, designers, brands change, everything is kind of a little bit different. So before I spend money on anything, I always come here on YouTube and watch a ton of unboxing video to determine if I really want the item, to see how it actually looks on other people, really assess to see if I really want this item after all. So this item, first Hermes item, I had no intention on buying this. This was a completely last minute purchase. I had no intention on buying it. So for the summertime, I wanted a designer sandal. So I've been looking at the Dior Douai mules or slides, whatever you like to call them. I've tried them many times at the store, but there is something about them that kept me from pulling the trigger. I just think they're not chic enough. I don't know if it's the color of the fabric, the way the slide is made. There is something about the Dior slides that I don't know, I could not put my finger on it. Last minute I decided that I didn't want them. They did not suit my style enough for me to spend that kind of money on some sandals. I wanted to treat myself this year to have a pair of designer sandals, especially to go with my beach bag from Loewe. Like I said, I was on the Dior website, I registered, I had the Douai mules on my cart, and I was ready to check out, and then I was like, no, this does not go with my style, let's not do it. So I was thinking, which sandals should I get? I was looking online and it was between two options, the YSL ones, I don't remember the name, or the Hermes Oran Sandals. So when I look at both of them, I think the Hermes is more dressy and more classic. The YSL is really nice, but I think it's more casual. So I feel like I wanted something that was a bit more dressy, but still in sandal form. That night I decided I'm gonna get the Hermes one, so the next day I went to the store and bought them. And here's the bag that they come with. The receipt comes into this little pochette with the Hermes logo, and then that's my receipt, which I will be showing you. I don't think I need to show you, but this is what it comes in. I'm sure you guys already know what's in here. You know this bag. You know this box is not a bag. This is the first time I am unboxing it. I hate removing the ribbon because I am rubbish at putting them back on. I always like to keep them the way they come in. For the purpose of this video, we're gonna take it off. The mighty orange box, and you can already what they are because you see the two dust bags in there. As you can see, quite simple, just the simplest bag, and then they each come in the dust bag, which I prefer because there are certain shoes I don't like when you have to put them next to each other. They can scratch the other shoes, so I prefer when designer. Well, all designer item comes with two dust bags anyways for the shoe, which is perfect. And this is the sandals, guys. Let me check my phone so I can tell you how they describe it on the website. I always like to do that. So this is in the 10 color. Website, the color is the Gold Piqûre Ecru. And the way they describe it is sandal and box calfskin with the iconic H cut out, which you can see here. An iconic Hermes style. The silhouette is an essential piece to every wardrobe. And I kind of agree. If you are a fashion girl, I think every girl needs this in the summertime. It's like the ultimate sandal. It's so perfect, so classy. I did go half a size up. usually a size 6, but I decided to go 36.5 because I like, when it comes to slide or mules, I like to go a little half a size bigger, so my feet is not hanging, and also so my feet can be super comfortable. And when I was thinking about the colors, I was in between the white and the tan color, but I know for my style and everything else in my wardrobe, the tan color is my color. It is my color. I love these so much. They just look so chic, and I can see myself wearing the outfit that I'm wearing today. It is in the summertime. Hermes Paris. The back. I love these. The price was, I'll tell you how much it costs. I bought this in the Madison Avenue on the Upper East Side store. I think it's 645 Madison Avenue. Yes, 691 Madison Avenue. I think the cost street is 70 something or 80 something. I don't remember which one it was. So the price was $650. The sales tax was 8.8%, and that was $57.69. So in total, it cost $707.69. So I bought this since 2/26, and today is March 15. And I've been waiting to do it because I've been taking some time off, and also I had to plan my niece a birthday party. The sandals, let me know if you guys have these, or if you guys would spend that much money on a pair of sandals. I think they are so chic, especially when I'm in the Hamptons. There are certain places you have to wear certain, well, you don't have to wear certain brands, but I feel sometimes there are certain places I go, I need certain items for those places, especially somewhere in the Hamptons. I mean, you can, but I know for me, I think I am going to be wearing these a ton. I cannot wait for summer to get here. Hopefully, once this, virus gets out of this. And also, I am going somewhere warm in May, so I'm excited for that. Although I was planning a trip to Cuba for my birthday next month, but that's being canceled now because of everything going on in the world right now. I'm excited to wear these in the summer. I cannot wait. I love these so much. Like I said, let me know if you guys have these. If so, in what color? And also, do you prefer the Hermes or do you prefer the Dior? I think the Dior one are more expensive. They're like $690, which is ridiculous, to be quite honest. Oh my god, they look so perfect, guys. Look at this. Let's say size up, half a size, not the full size, because I think I tried the 36. They're a little bit too tight. I wanted them to be, I mean, obviously you don't want them too loose, but at the same time you don't want them too tight. But super excited. Let me know how you ladies love these, if you plan on buying yourself a pair. Yeah, I think they are the ultimate sandals for the summertime. And I also read I watched so many unboxing of these on YouTube before I bought them. And also I read the blog post from the Brooklyn Blonde. She wrote a blog post about them. And these sandals, they were really hot, I think, in 2018, 2019. Mostly in 2018, they were like super hot. But when it comes to me, I like to wait. When it comes to trends, I like to wait for the trend to pass a little bit. And if it's still classic enough after 2 summers or 2 years, then sometimes that's what I'll do. Then I'll go buy them for myself. I am not one to jump on the trend of what everyone is wearing. Thank you again so much, ladies, for watching this video. Let me know what designer item you have on your wish list or your lust list for the summertime. I would love to know what you are currently thinking about getting yourself this summer. So yeah, thanks again for watching. I will catch you ladies in my next one. Bye bye. I found this jewelry organizer, and I also got my wardrobe put in yesterday.